I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from Otwo to Giffgaff, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Get your PAC code. Contact Otwo to request your porting authorization code PAC. You can do this via their customer service number or through the My Otwo app. Step 2. Sign up for Giffgaff. Visit the Giffgaff website and choose a plan that suits your needs. Complete the sign-up process and make sure to provide your new SIM card address. Step 3. Insert your Giffgaff SIM. Once you receive your Giffgaff SIM card, insert it into your phone. Make sure your phone is unlocked to accept the new SIM. Step 4. Port your number. Log into your Giffgaff account and enter your PAC code in the number porting section. This will initiate the process of transferring your number. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your PAC code, you will receive a confirmation email. The porting process typically takes a few hours but can take up to 24 hours. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Switching your number can feel daunting, but following these steps should make it a breeze. Good luck with your new Giffgaff service.